Ms. Dilcia Suarzo was born and raised in the Central American country of Honduras. She is the second oldest of 13 brothers and sisters. Her family was deeply rooted in the culture and traditions of the African Caribbean people in Central America known as Garifuna. Garifuna people were known for their music, dancing, storytelling, and for caring deeply about family and community. So from a young age, Ms. Dilcia Suarzo learned that helping others and working together were very important. At the age of 19, she moved to Rockland County to join her parents in America. Moving to a new place was not easy, but the community helped her feel welcome and supported. Going to college was challenging for Ms. Dilcia Suarzo. Although her college grades from Honduras did not count here, she did not give up. She started college all over again at Rockland Community College. She worked hard, earned her degree, and later continued her studies at Nyack College. This helped her understand how difficult schools can be for many students.
Because of her own experience, Ms. Dilcia Suarzo decided to help other immigrant families and students. Her home became a welcoming place where families could learn and ask questions. She volunteered in support groups for immigrants and children. As a resident of Rockland County for 45 years, Ms. Dilcia Suarzo is a community leader and the co-sector director of Proyecto Faro. She believes in loving your neighbors and treating everyone with kindness and respect. She believes in a future where every child feels included, supportive, and able to succeed. She knows that when people work together, communities grow stronger. Ms. Dilcia Suarzo's story shows that with kindness, hard work, and community support, great things are possible.
Number 1. Name something Ms. Dilcia Suarzo learned from her Garifuna heritage.
Number 2. Give an example how Ms. Dilcia Suarzo handled challenges.
Number 3. In what ways has Ms. Dilcia Suarzo helped the Rockland community?